How to message or contact your counselor via Groups application. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you also want to look in for ways to message or contact your counselor via Groups application, here's what you need to do. So first thing first, just head over to your Google Chrome browser and simply search in for Groups Recovered Together and just tap on this link, which is the official link of Groups Joined Together. And once you're inside here, just tap on this Hamburg icon. So currently I'm using website. You can also use the application. And to contact your counselor via the Groups app, you will typically need to use the messaging feature within the app itself if it's available. And if it's not available, you may need to explore other options like email, phone, or app's built-in messaging system, depending upon the app's features as well as your counselor's preferences. So for now, I will be simply showing from an example that is website, and you can just tap on this menu button over here after heading over to your website. You can also see such options such as contact us, similar to your mobile device function or feature, and you can just tap on that and you can just fill out all of your information, that is first name, last name, mobile number, email, state, as well as date of birth, and simply click on let's get started to successfully contact the agent from the Groups Recovered Together application itself. Or you can also just call on this phone number over here, which is the highlighted number over here, and just directly have a chat with the particular respective person about your issue on Groups Recovered Together application. So that is it for today guys. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you on the next one.